When it comes to replacing exterior doors, choosing the right material is crucial, especially in a city like Mesa, Arizona. The extreme heat, occasional monsoon rains, and intense sunlight demand materials that are durable, energy efficient, and weather resistant. Selecting the right door material can improve your home's energy efficiency, enhance its curb appeal, and increase its lifespan. Here are the top materials to consider for exterior door replacement in Mesa's climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice for homes in Mesa due to their durability and ability to withstand extreme weather conditions. These doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and splitting, making them ideal for the desert heat. Fiberglass doors can mimic the appearance of wood while offering superior performance at a more affordable price. One of the standout benefits of fiberglass doors is their energy efficiency. They provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cool during the summer and reducing your energy bills. Additionally, fiberglass doors require minimal maintenance, as they are resistant to fading and can be cleaned easily with soap and water. Steel doors. Steel doors are another excellent option for Mesa homeowners. Known for their strength and security, steel doors provide a robust barrier against intruders while standing up to the elements. They are resistant to warping and cracking, making them a reliable choice for the area's intense heat. Many steel doors come with a foam core, which enhances their insulation properties and improves energy efficiency. They are also available in various finishes and styles, allowing you to customize the look to match your home's aesthetic. While steel doors can dent, modern options often include coatings that resist scratches and rust, ensuring they maintain their appearance for years. Wood doors. For homeowners who value traditional aesthetics, wood doors remain a timeless option. They bring a classic and elegant appeal to any home, enhancing its curb appeal. However, in Mesa's climate, choosing the right type of wood and finish is essential. Opt for hardwoods like mahogany or oak, which are more resistant to warping and cracking under extreme heat. Additionally, ensure the door is properly sealed and maintained to protect it from UV rays and moisture during monsoon season. While wood doors require more upkeep compared to other materials, their beauty and charm often make the extra effort worthwhile. Aluminum doors. Aluminum doors are a modern and practical choice for Mesa homeowners. They are lightweight, durable, and resistant to rust, making them ideal for withstanding the area's weather conditions. Aluminum doors often feature a thermal break, which helps to reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. These doors are available in various finishes and colors, allowing you to achieve a sleek, contemporary look. While aluminum doors may not offer the same level of insulation as fiberglass or steel, they make up for it with their low maintenance requirements and resistance to wear and tear. Vinyl doors. Vinyl is an affordable and energy-efficient material that works well in Mesa's climate. Vinyl doors are resistant to moisture and UV rays, ensuring they won't fade or warp over time. They provide excellent insulation, keeping your home cool and comfortable even during the hottest months. One of the key benefits of vinyl doors is their low maintenance. They are easy to clean and do not require painting or staining. While they may not have the same luxurious appearance as wood or fiberglass, vinyl doors are a practical and cost-effective choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Factors to consider when choosing a door material. When selecting the best material for your exterior door, consider the following factors. Energy efficiency. Look for materials with good insulation properties to reduce energy costs. Durability. Choose materials that can withstand Mesa's extreme heat and occasional moisture. Aesthetics. Select a style and finish that complements your home's design. Maintenance. Consider how much time and effort you're willing to invest in upkeep. Budget. Balance your needs and preferences with your budget to find the best option. Replacing your exterior door is an opportunity to enhance your home's functionality, appearance, and energy efficiency. In Mesa's unique climate, choosing the right material is essential to ensure long-term performance and value. Whether you opt for fiberglass, steel, wood, aluminum, or vinyl, each material has its advantages to suit different needs and preferences. By understanding the benefits of each option, you can make an informed decision and enjoy a door that's both beautiful and practical for years to come.